So SANSA itself was created through the Act, the South African National Space Agency Act 36 of 2008, but it actually saw the light of day, it launched rather in 2010. And there are three main components that make up the space agency. Those being the Earth Observation Directorate, the Space Operations Directorate, and the Space Science Directorate. Now, I've been hemming and hawing about the Earth Observation Directorate because I believe that's where we can see the most impact in terms of the citizens of South Africa. But the other two operations are also crucial. For instance, the Space Science Directorate works in concert with other agencies in South Africa. In particular, it works alongside the National Research Foundation, which has a long history of supporting the space sciences in South Africa. For instance, the history of SANSA really began with the National Research the National Research Foundation. In early 2000s, there was a lot of movement happening in South Africa in terms of space sciences and exploration. For instance, the African Astronomical Observatory began construction, the SAAO, in 2000. There's the High Energy Stereoscopic System, the HESS, started operations that same year. The Southern African Large Telescope also began in 2000, its construction. And so it was around this really growth of enthusiasm for exploration, extraterrestrial exploration, that prompted the National Research Foundation to consider moving funds to found a space organization. And a lot of this, while private and important, a lot of it was also based upon increasing diversity in the astronomical community. For instance, the United States played a role in helping the National Research Foundation kind of get SANSA and a lot of these space-adjacent organizations off the ground. For instance, the National Society of Black Physicists helped pay for a lot of these initial startup costs and projects.